Welcome to the Itzimná house, a stunning example of modern architecture nestled in the heart of Merida, Yucatan. Designed by Salvador Reyes Rios and Josefina Lorraine Lagos, this 500 square meters single-family house redefines tropical living with its innovative design and sustainable construction techniques. Situated on a sprawling 2,000 square meter site adorned with 50-year-old endemic trees, this residence seamlessly integrates nature into its design. The demolition of an outdated 1960s house paved the way for this contemporary marvel, blending harmoniously with its surroundings. The architects envisioned a home that prioritized transparency, lightness, and thermal efficiency, drawing inspiration from iconic works of mid-century modernism, such as Craig Elwood and Pierre Koenig's masterpieces. They faced the challenge of adapting these principles to a hot, humid climate prone to severe hurricanes. To address this challenge, Reyes Rios plus Lorraine Arquitectos devised a hybrid construction system marrying metal elements with cellular concrete. This pioneering approach not only ensures structural integrity but also minimizes the need for traditional masonry work, reflecting a commitment to sustainability and efficiency. The residence features 3 bedrooms with en-suite bathrooms, seamlessly integrated living spaces, and a studio designed to maximize comfort and functionality. Additionally, a detached guest pavilion serves as a testament to high-efficiency housing design, showcasing the architect's dedication to innovation and versatility. Embracing the region's climatic realities, the architecture employs strategic design elements to mitigate heat gain and promote natural ventilation. From ventilated floors to adjustable metal panels, every aspect of the design is tailored to enhance comfort without relying on artificial cooling. Beyond its architectural innovations, the residence pays homage to Yucatan's rich cultural heritage. By incorporating traditional materials like chucum tree resin-based stucco, the architects honor local craftsmanship while pushing the boundaries of contemporary design. As you embark on this home tour, prepare to be captivated by the seamless fusion of form and function, innovation and tradition. Join us as we explore the Itzimná house, a testament to the enduring allure of modern tropical living.